much for being here, guys. I know you've had a long weekend, and yeah, it's really cool to be back. For those who don't know me, my name is Forster. It's a little tune called Feels Like. Told you it's fine, the light turns on a dime. It's hard to do the things you thought you knew. I've been a corner of somebody, sitting in this town you can't get by. I keep digging myself up to winter spine. It feels like I'm still in the middle, down near the bottom here. It's alright, there's no forgiving, we both got the things that we do. Working every weekend, never miss a moment, never like to wake you up. It's a long road on my way home. Slowly it's found that I'm always stuck inside my mind. It's hard to find a day of it just us two. I'll be in the corner of somebody, sitting in this town you can't get by. I keep digging myself up, going just fine. It feels like I'm still middle down at the bottom here. It's alright, there's no forgetting, we both got the things that we do. Working every weekend, never miss a moment, never like to wake you up. It's a long road on my way home, my way home. Working every weekend, never miss a moment, never like to wake you up. It's a long road on my way How's everyone feeling then, we good?